In the silence of the moonlit snow, the mountains whisper secrets deep and slow. Every peak a promise, every flake a prayer. Nature's breath surrounds us, magic in the air. Climbing higher, reaching for the light. The snowy realms embrace us, pure and bright. Oh, the snowy mountains calling us near. In their shadow valleys we shed every fear. Beneath the starlit skies, a world so divine. In the heart of the silence, our souls intertwine. Frozen